You know, at this whole time I've never seen you eat a piece like that. Yeah, you might have, but I haven't.
She used to eat chocolate.
Yeah, I remember you saying that. I've never seen her eat. Anything like that. There's one little piece. There you go.
Shared my dinner with my cat. I have a blue tongue. Blue tongue. Ah. Chug chug. So is that good? Come here, you happy kitty. Oh, just a good girl. Just a good girl. And she goes back and looks for more. While I ate hard, now it's time to nap hard. Yeah. Peace.